profession, I think, is a profession where this is actually required, whatever we are discussing. Because now the medical field has become very, very competitive. Then there are so many changes occurring.
Thanks, Prabhu. आपने मुझे इतना अच्छा शरीर दिया है, इतनी अच्छी शिक्षा दी है। इस शिक्षा को मैं अपने जीवन में पॉजिटिव तरीके से यूज कर मैं अनेक आत्माओं की
how to practice the meditation for oscillation. मैं तो चाहूँगा कल से ही आप ज्वाइन करके 3 दिन ये जरूर अटेंड करें. Now what is the meditation? वो हमारी सिस्टर लालू will explain for few minutes. क्या है मेडिटेशन, उसका प्रैक्टिस 5-7 मिनट में आपको कराएंगे. Although sorry there is time limit. उन्होंने खड़े होते ही पहले स्टेप में एम्ब्रेस करना शुरू किया, क्योंकि हमें अभ्यास नहीं है एक दूसरे के दिल से प्रशंसा तो करें, 2-3 मिनट पूछें व्हाट आर योर स्पेशलिटीज. Face to face. Yes. Again. मैं वर्षों से इसमें खाली जाती हूँ और फिर भरी की भरी आती हूँ, लोगों के काम आती हूँ. देखो मेरी अच्छी किस्मत. One and the same thing. What is the difference? What is the difference? What is the difference? Thinking. Yes, one positive thinking, second negative thinking. मैं हमारी सोच पर निर्भर है कि सोच जो है ना वो
Telling you follow this or that, but it is a part of life where everybody's need is different. So you will realize what you need and what today you have experienced for 5 minutes. So these 5 minutes are also very, very important. I think this, whatever you have learned, this can change your life also. So those who are lucky, the life may change for it. Okay, so I'm really very, very happy that we were a part of this. When like Sir is national coordinator for all these things, and Sir has been. I think we are really very, very lucky that Sir could come here and Sir has given us time. Otherwise, I don't think with lot of payment also. You see, many courses are there where Sir speakers you pay and then you attend. So we are really happy that Sir has come and you could attend it. So you will realize it later on, like what we have heard. So it is just for introspection that how you have to shape your life at this stage. Everybody knows. Again, I repeat this.
तो शरीर के अंदर आत्मा है और ये दोनों आईब्रोज के बीच में जो स्थान है यहाँ आत्मा का निवास है. चलिए मतलब चलेंगे, इसको बिल्कुल टिका लें. ओम शांति. सभी कुछ समय के लिए अपने शरीर के सब विचारों को साइड में रखें और अपना ध्यान दोनों आईब्रोज के बीच में विकुटी में केंद्रित कीजिए।
आप देखेंगे डेड बॉडी अगर जाती है ना, और अगर लिविंग बीइंग है तो झुक सकता है ना, उसमें तो बड़ा इजी है ना। तो दिस इज द फैक्ट विच वी शुड बिलीव। तो पोलाइटनेस। अच्छा, मैंने कितने पी एक्सप्लेन कर दिए? 4। देयर आर 3 मोर। व्हाट आर दोज? नेक्स्ट इज द पर्पस। What is the purpose of my life? अपने से बार बार पूछते हैं, What is the purpose of my life? I have taken birth, okay. Then I studied, okay. Then I came to the medical study, okay. Then I will do some job, okay. Then I will try to make some hospital, etc. Marry, then the children, and then I will die. Is it the purpose of my life only? Positive thoughts are the thoughts of selfless service, thoughts of good wishing, thoughts of giving blessings to others. Such type of thoughts are called the positive thoughts. According to another survey of the psychologist, 80% thoughts in most of the human beings are the waste and negative, and 15% thoughts are the ordinary, and 0 to 5% thoughts are the positive. Among you, is there anyone who claims that during the whole day, minimum 5% thoughts are? And thinking about past. Sometimes it is said that past is history, and future is mystery, which is not yet born. It is only the past के विचार। कोई बात काफी समय हो गया बीत गई, बट वी आर थिंकिंग, सोचते जा रहे हैं, तो वेस्ट थॉट हुआ। ऐसे कई बार फ्यूचर के बारे में बहुत चिंता करना। Dear students, today it is a great pleasure for me that I have an opportunity to share my views on the topic mind management and meditation, and also something I will share about the moral values. तो बहुत खुशी हुई, राजीव गांधी मेडिकल कॉलेज एंड छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराजा हॉस्पिटल कालवा थाने में आज आप सबके बीच में आकर। रही बात जहाँ तक माइंड मैनेजमेंट की, माइंड इज ए थिंकिंग फैकल्टी, कंटिन्यूस थिंकिंग। And there are 2 parts of mind. One is the conscious mind and second is the subconscious mind. We know what type of thoughts are moving in my mind, in my conscious mind, but we don't know what type of thoughts are moving in my subconscious mind. While sleeping at that time, sometimes we take dreams. What are the dreams? At that time also, mind is working, but the subconscious mind is working. Therefore, for mind management. Why the mind management?